Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bome or Book of Meme. Wanted to give you my thoughts. I mean, in these market circumstances, obviously, it's not great. Bitcoin has found some support here, as you can see, but it's much too early to say whether this support is going to last or not. So that obviously also has implications for Bome. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it right now. I know quite a lot of you are still interested in it. I mean, in general, just to start off this video, I think it's better to just avoid trading at all costs right now. All right. I mean, if you look at the market is not great. And if you look at Bome, and we talked about this in the last video as well. First of all, if you just look at the momentum here or the open interest, that's been going down and that's been bearish for quite a while now. All right. So as long as this is going down, we will not see a super bullish Bome. And then apart from that, the technicals, I think, also confirm that, because if you look at the technical structure, we had a nice setup right here about, well, what is it, like two and a half weeks ago. We had a nice setup, but we already lost that setup last week, Friday, with all the bearish momentum we had last week. Broke down below that. We still had a chance after holding this level right here around 0.95 cents. There still was a little bit of a chance that we could maybe consolidate on top of that. But in general, if you look at this formation, what you can see is that this is very much a typical structure, which is a bearish flag, which this is kind of like an inverse flagpole. And usually this continues with more bearish momentum. So, and that in combination with no momentum being there for Bome, I already said the last video, I believe, that it was most likely that Bome would drop down lower. And that's still the scenario, all right? Now, we'll talk about some major support levels, and we'll talk about what, in general, you need to keep an eye on to actually identify when Bome turns a little bit more bullish and when you could potentially start looking for long setups. But that moment is not right now, all right? That level right here, which I talked about just a second ago, around 0.93 cents, we gave that up, all right? That was support, dropped down below that well, yesterday. So that was a bearish confirmation. You can see that, and we will delete this channel right now. You will see that all the EMAs right here are trending down. So just purely technically, we are bearish. And then we haven't even talked about the momentum, all right? Momentum is dropping down. We are getting bearish breakouts and bearish confirmations, and just in general, we're making lower highs and lower lows. So we're bearish, which is logical. All altcoins are bearish in these market circumstances. So then the main question is all right, what are we looking for? And in general, I do think that there's a very strong support level which we are heading towards, which is this level right here between 0.7 and 0.75 cents. Ultimately, even a bit higher, but I think 0.75 and 0.7 cents is both technically a strong level. It's been respected all the times it's been hit since the start. But apart from that, there's also a psychological element to it. So what I would expect right now is that we will drop down to that level. And at that level, I expect support. Now, do I think that support can turn into a new rally? I don't know, all right? Because for that, you need to look at something else, and that is the momentum or the open interest, all right? So this, for now, in these circumstances, is what I think is most likely. A continued drop into the strongest support level we have around, well, let's say the middle, 0.73 cents. And then from there, we'll see. We'll find some support there. But what we need to see is the open interest for Bome increase. All right. If that increases after hitting that level, then we can actually see a big rally again. And believe me, that's realistic. That's possible. If not, we'll just drop down lower. And to be fair, might even be the end of Bome then, if we do not find support there. But I will keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.